Welcome to another video of Bavarian Motorworks. Just a quick one. I'm just going to change out this cup holder, as I've been using the center console as my cup holder, and as you can see I spilt drink on it and everything, so I picked up a spare one for a tenner. So we're just going to change this out. I've never done it before, but it appears very simple. I think it's just you remove these two covers off. Let's get a Torx end here. I think it's like a cartridge. I think it should just pull out. God, it's boiling in there. Jesus. There we go. And that should be it. Simple as that, I think. Put the screws in. Fiddly, this one. Okay, that's in, and I think we should be able to get it in this way. I've got to get out of this car, man, it's boiling. Whew. Put your little stickers on. Oh, I don't know, mine's got dog hair on it now. I'll leave those off for now. But there we go. Nice cup holder. That'll make things better. I might just put a bit of WD-40 on it just to give it a bit of smoother operation, but I'm happy with that. Bit of a completed look now rather than the one that broke. So, very quick video. Cheers for watching. See you again, folks.